Right now, an investigation is underway into a tragic construction accident in Oakland. A woman has died after being crushed by a one-ton metal cylinder. The cylinder rolled away from the site of Pitt's new sports complex. We thank you for being with us at 6. I'm Kim Gable.
I'm Ken Rice. Mamie is in Oakland with more on how it happened.
This section of Terrace Street is blocked off. You can see the cylinder. We're told it came rolling down from the Victory Heights construction site, Pitt's new sports facility that's being built next to the Peterson Event Center. The cylinder broke through a section of fencing and hit the woman who was walking with some of her colleagues. Cranes and construction surround the University of Pittsburgh.
Construction university, there's construction everywhere, and it's just really unfortunate that
a metal cylinder from the site of an incoming sports complex is being blamed for the death of a woman.
I mean, it could have been a student, could have been anybody. A little bit scary when an accident like this can just happen on a random Friday.
EMS and police blocked off the area near the University of Pittsburgh after the deadly accident. Investigators say the cylinder escaped from the Victory Heights construction site and hit the woman before coming to a rest against a vehicle.
But it's at least a ton. It's a heavy piece of steel. They had pronounced the victim deceased within a minute of arrival.
This afternoon, a statement was issued on behalf of one of the contractors. It reads, "With heavy hearts, Costa Contracting wishes to extend their deepest condolences to the family of the woman who lost her life today. Our thoughts and prayers are with her family during this profoundly difficult time." Pitt also commenting, saying, "The University of Pittsburgh and Occupational Safety and Health Administration will lead the investigation with the full support of the university. We offer our sincere condolences to the family and friends of the victim."
And it's just really unfortunate that our beautiful campus is just constantly under construction, and obviously it's proving to be dangerous as well.
In an email to staff obtained by KDKA-TV, UPMC says the victim was an employee at Western Psychiatric. Reporting in Oakland, Mamie, KDKA-TV News.